Before we start this episode, this song, this Mexican hat dance, it's just annoying. I want a new one.
All my friends know the low rider.
Hold up. We're not gonna be doing lowrider.
Why not?
Okay, another Mexican has done this. George Lopez.
That's racism.
No. I'm just saying we're not gonna be doing this and flying through the air. See what I mean?
You look like a big flat blob, a blur going across the room.
I know.
Then what's your song?
Okay, check it.
Talk about the U.S. inflation. I understand just a little. No comprende, it's a riddle. I'm on a Mexican radio.
No!
What?
Just because it has the word Mexican in it, that makes it okay to say?
Yeah, are you a racist?
No. It's a great song, because you know what? It's better than all that other pop junk that I listen to.
Damn kids.
Then what's your song?
My song?
Yeah.
Alright guys, check this out. Here we go.
Mesa que más aplauda, mesa que más aplauda, mesa que más aplauda, le
Get me out of here!
Keep the Mexican hat dance.
Wait, why did we get that? Look at this!
We could jump.
He's smiling, oh my god, he can't jump either. Look at him, the smiling and the jumping, and oh my god, it goes all over the place.
Right there.
Oh my god! Look at the flower! The flower!
Guys, come on. This is better than the junk you were playing. Guys?
God!
That was a workout.
Oh yeah, that is the last time I work out with you at night. I am as tired as the
Hey.
What?
Not yawn in front of me.
Why? What?
Because you're gonna yawn, then I'm gonna yawn, then you're gonna yawn again, and then we're all gonna get all tired.
You think just because I'm yawning, then you will yawn?
Duh.
Well, if you're not tired, then you won't yawn.
Duh. Alright, okay. I'm getting a call on this.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, get Carla. Wait, what are you doing?
I'm getting cola.
Don't you just call him and then he just pops up?
Yeah, but you know what? It's late, and I got the neighbors here, and I don't want them waking up, calling the police.
Fine. Whatever. Jesus Christ!
You text?
Yeah, it's about yawning.
Yawning. It's contagious.
What? Okay, how? I yawn all the time, and nobody around me yawns. What gives?
No one likes you.
What? Are you? Beg your pardon? What?
I know that's fun and all, but what does that have to do with anything?
Yeah.
Well, it's linked to several things, and one of them is the people around you.
Okay.
Go on.
So one reason is that it cools your brain temperature, increases your blood pressure, and it increases your focus, which alerts your muscles.
That's all well and good, but I believe the question was, what is the link between it and a contagion?
Okay, don't be a smartass over there, alright?
What? I'm not being a smart.
Alright,
No,
let me
I'm not
explain.
doing any of that. I'm just. Hey, whoa! I can take that from him, not from you. Okay.
Okay, take it easy, man. Take it easy.
What the?
What the hell?
Are you trying to be Al Pacino?
Well, that or Jamaican.
Neither.
As a kid,
no.
I just can't.
Well, anyways,
Yeah.
one reason is empathy between people.
So it's not physiological.
No, it's not physiological. It's more of a social thing, like emotions. Like if someone laughs, everyone laughs. There's a negative mob, you join it.
Yeah, that's true.
Look out with that, right?
Put that down.
One final
Let's get
reason. One final reason is that it occurs within the family first, then friends, then strangers.
So that's why he said no one cares about George.
Right.
But people care about me. What? I'm a very careable person. That's kind of my thing.
No, you're not a Care Bear.
So that's scoring one for me, right?
Yeah,
What the-
pretty
hey,
much.
guys, quit messing. What's going on? Hey, guys, look, I'm yawning here. My friends are supposed to.
Let's go,
Come
George.
on. Oh, damn it. Look, we're good.
Okay, take it easy, man. Take it easy.
What the hell was that? Is it trying to be Al Pacino?
Yeah, what the hell?
I guess, but Jamaican.
No, not even close. Anyways, one reason for contagious yawning is empathy between people.
So it's not physiological.
No, and that's not even a word that pops into my head. But
Dictionary.
Continue.
well, it occurs. Damn it!